Did you know there's a bug called a snow flea? Don't worry, they're not actual fleas. Fleas are parasitic insects that live on warm-blooded hosts and suck blood. Snow fleas don't bite people or animals, and they're not even insects. They belong to a group of arthropods called springtails. Springtails get their name from the tail-like appendage called a furcula, which is held under tension beneath the body. When they release that tension, the furcula pushes against the substrate, launching the tiny critter in a flea-like leap that gives the snow flea its name. It might seem strange that such a tiny cold-blooded creature is hopping around on the snow. They are able to do this because of the antifreeze-like protein they produce. In addition to this, snow is 32 degrees even when the air is colder. And the sun reflecting off the snow creates a slightly warmer microclimate right at the snow's surface. Snow fleas and other springtails live most of the year in soil and leaf litter. The size of a flake of pepper and dark in color, they are only noticeable when they come out in winter to feed on algae, pollen, and leaf mold on the surface of the snow. Snow fleas can be found in your garden or yard as long as you don't treat for insects, but it's easiest to find them at the bases of trees. They are so small that they can't dig their way up through the snow, especially when there is a crust on top. Grooves in the tree's bark give them a path to the snow's surface. The downside of looking at the base of a tree is that very often tiny bits of bark, leaf, or needle litter the snow's surface. Sometimes the only way to tell the difference between a bit of bark and a snow flea is to wait for it to move. While some species of springtails are considered agricultural pests, many are decomposers, eating and breaking down dead plant and animal material. This, as well as their role in spreading beneficial fungal spores and in consuming pathogenic ones, makes them crucial to healthy soil ecology. So next time you're out for a sunny, snowy walk, look at those flecks on the snow to see if any are hopping.